A tennis court T has a bearing of 80 degrees, which is 0.80 degrees from a library. The library and the tennis court are 14 kilometers apart. A school is 10 kilometers from the tennis court at a bearing of 110 degrees. Using 1 cm equals 2 kilometers, show the position of the tennis court, the library, and the school. So there's so much involved in this question, and at the end we have to estimate the distance between the school and the library. You need to try and go step by step. So we have a tennis court, a library, and a school. So from a library, which means our starting point should be from the library. So library to tennis court, create or measure an angle 80 degrees. So from the library, create your north line, measure 80 degrees. Okay, that's my 80 degrees. But the distance between the library and the tennis court is 14 kilometers. And you need to understand the scale. 1 cm is 2 kilometers. So if it is 14 kilometers, what should that be? 2 times 7 is 14. So 1 times 7, 7 cm. So measure 7 cm. Okay, that's my 7 cm. The end point of it will be my tennis court. So the first one is done. I now know my position of my library and the tennis court. Let's move on with the school. So from the tennis court, also from tennis court north pole or north line, we need to measure 110. That's 110, but the distance is 10 kilometers. 1 cm is 2 kilometers. 10 kilometers, 2 times 5 is 10. So 1 times 5, 5 cm. Measure 5 cm. Okay. So I've now been able to show the location of the library, the tennis court, and the school. So that's the A. I've now shown the positions now. Now let's go to B. How do you estimate the distance between the school and the library? All we need to do is to measure the distance, and from the measurement, we convert it with our scale. Put your ruler down to measure the distance. It's 11.5 according to my measurement. That is in centimeters. So just use a bit of conversion to convert that. If 1 cm is 2 kilometers, 11.5 will be what? 1 times 11.5 will give you 11.5 cm. So whatever you do to one side, do to the other side. So multiply 2 by 11.5, and that will give us 23 kilometers. So we can say the estimate of the distance between the school and the library is 23 kilometers. All you need to know is how to measure your angles, how to do a bit of conversion, and how to calculate missing angles using alternate or corresponding and allied angles, and you'll be sorted out in bearings. And that leads us to the end of our lesson on bearings. Hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Look forward to posting more videos on some topics that most people have requested. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share with your friends, and like this video. Thank you very much.